Hi, this is Denise Farinsky, and this is my artwork entitled There Is No Worry Among the Birds and Flowers. It's a piece of altered art of a vintage 1969-1970 jewelry box from Japan. The company that made it originally was HIMARK. And it has original illustrations that were drawn by myself and painted and decoupaged on the surface. I restored the inside with vintage velvet flowers from post-war Germany, and restored the Automaton bird that's inside. This jewelry box plays the song Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head from the Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid movie. So I'm going to open the top drawer, and that allows the mechanism of the bird swinging back and forth, which is very cute. Get closer. I'm going to turn it so you can see it from the side view. And it's made with new plastic acrylic panels for the roof on the sides. It's fully illustrated on the inside with a Victorian Gothic theme. And if we close the door, it stops. There are my illustrations up close on the drawers, and it's velvet lined. It has red velvet to match the red velvet flowers and the red velvet here. And you can see the tag here. It said that it's made in Germany. It's kind of fuzzy to see that through the camera, but it's made in Germany East. And it's illustrated on all panels, including the back, so that it can be seen all the way around. And it's reminiscent of Victorian parlor domes. And also, I just want to point out a detail that the way I designed it is I have the turnkey for the music box to match the design, so it doesn't really interfere with the design, and it's actually kind of part of it. And you can see what it looks like from up top. Okay, and let's see, I think it might have a little bit more song in it. So anyway, this is my There Is No Worry Among the Birds and Flowers altered art, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.